Here we are on the 6th Wednesday night session of the 36-week long season. Prior to this session, I spent time practicing single pin spares, primarily the 10-pin. I also ran the numbers, and although it will be difficult to reach 80% of single pin spares made by the end of the first quarter, it isn't impossible. I'm not considering lowering that goal percentage, however. I have enough time to reach it by the end of the season, and I fully expect to have reached it by or shortly after the end of the first quarter. I'm very pleased with the outcome of Game 1. I made all my spares, even 2 10-pins, and I was able to string together 5 strikes toward the end of the game. I did have 2 poorly executed first throws, however. The first was in the 5th frame, where the ball pretty much went through the nose of the rack. The second was in the final rack of the 10th frame, where the ball completely missed the head pin. Of all the single pin spares that I practiced prior to this session, I didn't practice the 9-pin. My main focus was on the 10-pin and other single pins that I often leave. I have no excuse for missing the 9-pin in the second frame, but I was trying to figure out how I wanted to make it in the moment, rather than already having a plan on how to make it like I have for every other single pin spare. The ball I threw in the final rack of the 10th frame was just a little too slow and started hooking early in the mid lane. So it ended up going through the nose of the rack and leaving the Greek church. Both the missed 4-pin in the second frame and the missed bucket in the 10th frame were simply due to me slightly missing my mark. Overall, I felt good about this series, however. I'm particularly glad to see that the results of my practice sessions have manifested during League. I know what I need to continue to work on, and I'm looking forward to catching up to all of my end-of-season goals soon. For anyone that has made it this far into the video, I appreciate you watching.